Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Jammu, 12th July. The Army on Wednesday organized an awareness program to educate the youths about the Agnipath Scheme at Assar-Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. PRP Defence, Jammu Lt Colonel Col Bartwal said, the Union Cabinet, on 14 June 2022 took a historic decision in approving an attractive recruitment scheme for Indian youth to serve in the armed forces, for which a scheme has been introduced with the name Agnipath. Colonel Bartwal said, to motivate youth. A large number of youth attended the said lecture, Army spokesperson said, adding, the purpose of organizing lecture was to motivate youth to enroll through Agnipath scheme launched by the Indian government. The motivational lecture was a noble undertaking by the Indian Army to motivate the youth. Colonel Bartwal said that the participants have overwhelming response and feedback for the event, with many hoping such an undertaking to be conducted regularly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.